Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So you opened your mail and found a check from the child support agency, and your first thought was probably, wait, what is this? You're used to sending money to them, not getting it from them. It's a confusing situation, but there are several common and perfectly logical reasons why you might get a child support refund check. Let's break down the most likely scenarios. First, and most often, it's a simple overpayment. This frequently happens with wage withholding. Your employer automatically deducts the child support from your paycheck and sends it to the state. But when your child support obligation ends, maybe because your child turned 18 and graduated, the paperwork can take time to catch up. Your employer might continue to withhold money for another pay period or two before they receive the official stop order. That extra money that was taken out after your case was closed is then refunded directly to you. Another major reason is related to tax refund intercepts. If you owed past due support, known as arrears, the government can take your federal tax refund to cover that debt. However, sometimes the system either takes more than what you actually owed, or two payments cross paths. For example, if you owed $1,000 in arrears and made a direct payment of $1,000, but your $1,500 tax refund was already intercepted for the same debt, you would be refunded the overage. The system is just correcting the balance on your account. A third possibility is a modification to your court order. Let's say you went back to court and a judge lowered your monthly child support payment. If your employer's payroll department was still withholding the old, higher amount for a month before the new order was processed, you would be refunded that difference. It's also possible the other parent closed the case, but a payment was already in transit. In rare cases, if the state cannot locate the custodial parent to give them the money, it may be returned to you after a certain period. The most important thing to do is to verify why you got the check before you spend it. Call your caseworker or log into your state's child support online portal. Confirm that your account is paid in full and that this refund is correct. You want to make sure it wasn't a clerical error that you'll just have to pay back later. Keep a copy of the check and a note of who you spoke to for your records. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this video cleared things up for you. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more straightforward answers to your questions.